Dr Marco Giuseppin is the new Executive Director of Medical Services and Clinical Governance for the Northern New South Wales Local Health District. Today we're going to be talking to Dr Giuseppin about virtual healthcare. Thank you for coming in to talk to us.
Good to be here, Eve.
Marco, can you tell me what HealthDirect is?
HealthDirect is a free phone service available to all residents in New South Wales. It provides easy to access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week health advice.
When you call HealthDirect, who is on the other end of the conversation?
So when you call HealthDirect, the people who you'll speak to are experienced registered nurses, people that have experience in assessing people virtually over the telephone. And their job is to guide you to the right sort of services. So you are always speaking to a qualified health practitioner when you call HealthDirect.
Given that it's winter, is it a good time of year for people to use HealthDirect?
Absolutely, Eve. We know that during this time of the year that our emergency departments and hospitals are under a bit of pressure. There are a lot of other viruses that are hanging around our hospitals. We're certainly still seeing a bit of COVID around, but we are seeing quite high levels of flu and RSV. In many cases, we can actually avoid a visit to the emergency department, and that's not only good for our health service and our community, but it also decreases the chance of being exposed to anything else as a result of your visit to hospital. And a lot of those conditions can be safely managed through the use of services such as HealthDirect.
Marco, what are some of the possible outcomes of a HealthDirect consultation?
So there's a few possible outcomes from a HealthDirect consultation. We have a lot of wonderful services available in our community, and where possible, we'll try to direct people to one of those services where it's safe. Sometimes we give you phone advice only with some advice on what to look for when things are not going as they should. And sometimes we do ask people to come into our emergency departments, and that's to ensure their safety.
Marco, is it easy for people to access HealthDirect?
Absolutely, Eve. HealthDirect is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week phone service. The free call number is 1800 022 222.
Can you tell me about virtual healthcare in the future?
We often think about virtual healthcare as phone calls and video consultations, and they're obviously really important, and we're keen to grow those as a health district and as health professionals. But there really is so much more out on the horizon. Some of those initiatives include things such as wearable technology, remote monitoring. We obviously have things like artificial intelligence that is around the corner and being used, in fact, in some settings right now, where we can actually use computer algorithms to predict people's health and use that to inform their healthcare. Really, this is an area of healthcare that's in its very early infancy, and there is so much more potential in its application, not just within our health district, but more broadly within healthcare itself.
Marco, that's really helpful information about HealthDirect. Thanks for coming in today.
Thanks for having me.